Hi mga kabalot! Nandito ang inyong kabalochi! We're in Chick-fil-A! Yan yung pagkain namin. Say hi na. Yeah. Nandiyan kami sa labas. Yeah. They have a music. I'm gonna be called. What kind of music?
Just like background music.
Hopefully na hopefully hindi tayo ma-copyright. Not popular one anyway. Just the popular one that I get copyright. You know how Meta is. Meta is very strict. Pagbasa yung kamay ko. Pagbasa yung kamay ko, ginaganyan ko siya kasi yung tubig. Pupunta sa ilalim ng singsing. Pinupunasan ko muna kasi basa. Tanggalin natin isa-isa. Ganyan ako pag naghugas ng kamay. Yan, tuyo na. Ang ganda talaga ng gel. I like the gel. I work outside, still look nice. Expensive, but you got what you pay for.
Hi, we're making that right now. So it's good. 4 minutes.
Yung pabango ko, Versace. Sing-sing ko, Versace. Versace in a flow. Ay, nako, mga kabalot. Umisa ng ating mga marites. Ang kabalit niya ay okay naman. Maganda pa rin. I said, if they ask me how I am, I'm still beautiful. Thank God for that. Love, love, love. Ito kakainin ni kabalot ngayon, Chick-fil-A. What is Chick-fil-A? Yeah. Mag-grocery kami mag-ina. Nana, can you ask more of this? You don't have no more in the house. I don't like that one in store. It's not taste the same. Can you open that for me, Mom? It's not the same for something reason.
Maybe if you want at the house, it's expired.
May kaalala. Number
5.
A, B, C, D, E. Eng. Ayun lang naman alam kong E. Sarap yung sasulang. Ano kutsara? Ano to, para tong KFC. Yung pinuntahan namin. Tagal na tayo hindi kumakain dito. We don't eat here for a while.
Sometimes I get during lunch breaks.
Huh?
Sometimes I come here for my lunch breaks.
You're closer here. I'm far away. Nasa kabinya, sa kabihasnan si Mami.
And then one time I had them deliver.
Huh? They deliver?
I Chick-fil-A cars.
Mm.
I did it one time. And I was really
Are they deliver in the neighborhood? They don't have Chick-fil-A over there by our house. By my house.
You can't buy your house, but you just have to drive down 9 Mile Road.
Yeah. Yeah, they have Chick-fil-A there.
Go down 9 Mile.
Oh. Mm. Ang sarap. Fresh. Palagi kami kumakain ito dati dito. Magmula nung lumipat ako doon, hindi na, no?
Huh?
Since I moved in the other side, we never eat here no more. You are,
Not often.
your house is closer here.
I have to really want it. Most of the time I don't want to leave the house when I'm at lunch.
Hmm?
Most of the time I take a nap during my lunch break.
Yeah. What? Is that the wrap? This is the best sandwich I ever tasted. Here. Fresh. Huh?
You also haven't eaten in a while.
I know. Mm. French fries nila. Yun yung French fries. Nagandahan sa tindahan itong pagkainan dito. Pag linggo sarado.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Funny thing, that's the only time I really want that food.
I know, but because the owner of this place is yeah. They go to church on Sunday. I think that's a good thing. That's why his business is good. Huh? Mm. Sarap. Fresh chicken, fresh lettuce, fresh everything. Hmm? I totally forgot Chick-fil-A for a while. Sarap. Kung may sauce na pala, barbecue. Kaya pa masarap. They're not stingy on the chicken. Maggie, I give her a shower. I give her a haircut, the top of her head. I let her out. Why, Maggie? You don't want to get dirty?
Usually that's the first thing they want to do after a bath.
Huh?
Usually that's the first thing they want to do after a bath.
Yeah.
Get dirty.
No. Maggie should just go. And look at me. Mommy, I don't want to step on this grass.
Mowed the lawn during my lunch break the other day, and it was so hot.
Yeah.
Went out there at like 1 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Holy crap.
You cut the grass in 1 o'clock? Why you do that?
Or get out of my desk. And go outside.
I cut the grass at 5 o'clock.
Yeah, but I was on my lunch break during work, and I just wanted to get out of the house and not sit on my desk for a while.
Yeah. Busog na ako mga kabalak. Mamaya naman tayo magchismisan. Mama chup chup. Love love love.